Which brings us to part 2 of this presentation, Designing System Change. So, in the interest of public health and sustainability, what are the common sense requirements for a workable economy? First, physically, we must have dynamic equilibrium with the environment, not using more resources in a time frame they can be equally regenerated, nor suffer biodiversity loss, pollution crises, and other obvious issues. This means scientific resource management must be explicit, not merely sidelined as market economics does. Sustainable resource management, technically, must be built into the model itself, in the pursuit of maximizing strategic design and efficiency, hence true economizing. Second, the system should be structurally non-competitive and hierarchy attenuating. Collaborative economic processes have proven to be far more stable and efficient, and any defense saying competition drives innovation, which is a classic response, omits that it does so for all the wrong reasons, also driving extreme waste, human conflict, and social oppression through socioeconomic stratification. Economic competition, as we see in the wild, should be a last resort for any civilized economy, not the very foundation of it as we have today. And number 3, similarly, the system must be abundance-focused, not based on the exploitation of scarcity, which is what market economics does today, disallowing the rise of stress-easing, public health-improving abundance. It is a sobering realization to understand that the abundance of anything, such as water, is actually a negative feature when it comes to the internal success of markets. Abundance has no value. In fact, the more problems there are in the world, including scarcity, the more economic action is generated in response. The market economy, in fact, thrives not on solving problems, but preferring to continue them so they can be exploited for jobs and income. There's no easier way to collapse a market economy than the introduction of abundance.